Hey traders, hey to my YouTube channel, hey to my subscribers, hey to my COT Academy fam, hey to my millionaire and my billionaire colleagues. Hope you guys had a wonderful trading week. And I still pray that you guys did the most and make sure that you level yourself up, that you boss yourself up, and that you become 1% better than you were. Right? This is boy Harlem King COT, and we back with another educational video. So today we're going to be focusing on our weekly trading outlook. I think it's going to be for June the 15th. Yeah, June the 15th up and until the 19th, up and until the 19th or 20th. I'm just not sure. But before we get any further with the video, make sure you smash the like button, you subscribe to the channel, you share the video, you comment on the video, you click that link to sign up with the broker that I highly recommend and trade with. Or if you're looking to watch my daily live vlogs, you can still do that. We have the link down there. Or if you want to be part of the COT Academy fam, we have opened up 3 exclusive services. You can choose which do you prefer, and let COT Academy do the rest from there. Or if you haven't watched my psychology video yesterday that we were talking about how to trade, whether traders should use AI or just stick to price action, you can also do that. I've also left the link of it right there. But without further ado, guys, let's hit the charts. Let's share this let's share this educational gems, and let's be out our way, right? So you guys know that our all-time pay will forever be the NAS, right? So looking at looking at NASDAQ, right, you can tell that okay, from previously price has created this range, right? So from having this range, we finally had what? We finally had a price has finally shorter, right? So from price creating this all-time high, and from price having this big engulfing candlestick, pulling back to our very some top of like bullish momentum and bearish depletion, and price did what pushed to the upside. So for the coming week, we're waiting for confirmation simply because we want to see what will happen, right? As price the upside, some type of move to the upside with a fail to break below, or are we gonna have a break below and anticipate that continuation to the downside? We just don't know for now. But what I can say is we're waiting for confirmation to see are we gonna come back to our intraday zone and react, or we're gonna have a violation. That's all we're gonna be waiting for, and that's all we're gonna be waiting to see for the coming week. So what do? We slide to the second page. So hold. I just want to zoom out and just to remind you guys that okay, price has been holding resistance and price has been holding support, right? So price holding those two zones and price obviously finally and price obviously having that range, right? We're also waiting for confirmation clearly to see that obviously where price is, it's not far from our resistance, right? Are we gonna have a false break to be bearish, or are we gonna have a violation of price being bullish? We're just waiting for confirmation because obviously price isn't referring to break resistance, referring to break support, referring to break resistance, referring to break support, referring to break resistance, referring to break support, referring to break resistance. So we're waiting to see what is going to happen for the coming week. Are we going to have a break above, or will price have a fail to break? If we have a break above, we might be looking for continuations to the upside. But if we have a fail to break, obviously we anticipate the reversal to the downside. Do you guys get that? So what do? Slide to the pair, which is USD CAD. So USD CAD, I also want to zoom in. I'll see that price has been holding this, and price has this intraday zone that every time price trades above, we bullish, right? Every time price trades above, we bullish. But for the previous week, you can clearly see that price has been having this sideways movement, right? So from this big depletion in this sideways movement that price is holding, all that we're now waiting for the coming week is clearly simple, right? Because we're not far from this intraday zone. If price clearly stays above, then we're going to be bullish. But if price stays below, then we're going to have to wait for it or further subject to what is going to happen. Because when you clearly look at it, right, price has been rejecting every time we came above. But every time we below, price doesn't have enough momentum to push to the downside. So, in simple terms, if price gives us some momentum, candlestick up after so, then we're good to go. But if price gives us some big momentum to the downside, then I guess we'll have to wait for further confirmation to see where will price end with this. Because at the moment, the momentum is clearly giving us the dollar strength and the Canadian dollar weakness. But we're waiting for confirmation to see. Do you guys get that? So we slide. The other page that we have is Tesla. So Tesla, I spoke the previous week about this high that created this low, right? So now price kind of like came back to the very same high. And with price coming back to that high, you can clearly see we had that bullish depletion in the bearish momentum. You can see the bullish candlesticks and you can see the bear candlesticks. So we still don't have a trade idea, guys, simply because we want to see what is going to happen. Are we going to get a violation to the upside, or are we going to have a full to break? Or are we going to have a full to break to the downside? If price gives us some type of what bullish break above, then we can continue up. But if price was to break, then guess what I have to look for the depletion to the downside and anticipate ourselves. Do you guys get that? So last but not least, having Bitcoin. So Bitcoin printed out this intraday highs, right? And Bitcoin had this low. So from price, I think this lowest point in the markets that created what this all-time high, right? Price at the lowest point in the markets and price created the all-time high. So you can clearly see that from this lowest point, price is having some type of like reactions, right? We're failing to break past this very same zone. And when you look at this, price has created this intraday highs. So I don't have a trade idea because I want to see that is price really going to be bullish, to be bearish on this very same zone once we have that bear deplete that bear momentum to the downside, breaking past this very same lows, or will price have a break to the upside, violating our intraday highs, anticipating that move to the upside. We're still not sure of it, but we have to wait for confirmation. But we don't have a trade idea. But I'm still sharing this with you guys so you can see what might happen or what you might anticipate or what you might have to put your money to work on. Do you guys get that? So this will be our weekly trading outlook for the coming week. Everything that we share and everything that we do is mainly based on opinions and experiences. Use what works for you. See what you're looking at for the coming week. See what other traders be looking at on their weekly trading outlooks and go for what will work for you. All of that further we do. That's your boy Harlem. Like the video, subscribe to the video, share the video, comment on the video, sign up to our COT Academy services for exclusive for exclusive jams that you can never find anywhere but in our trading lab. Or if you're looking to watch my daily live vlogs, you can still do that. Or if you haven't watched my previous educational video and my psychology video, you can still do that by just clicking this, by just clicking right here, right? For quick access to the previous video. But that fed with you guys. The support Harlem. I want to see you guys win. I want to see you guys profitable, and I want to see you guys being the best traders as possible out there. But that fed with you once again, guys. The support Harlem, King COT, and we're signing out.